Sunflower seeds undergo pre-processing steps, such as sorting, cleaning, and roasting before being transported to the feeding port, the packaging line. The high-speed vertical multi-head weigher performs simultaneous high-precision weighing. Seeds are evenly distributed to each weighing head via a vibrating tray or conveyor belt. Each head operates independently to rapidly measure the weight of each portion. The system automatically selects portions that meet the preset weight criteria, ensuring consistency in each pack. The process includes automated sealing and printing. The synchronized workflow between the multi-head weigher and packaging machine achieves a 150 packs per minute output.